recording.
A real camera.
A recording.
Hi.
In what airport are you in? San Francisco?
Yep.
Can you see there's the planes?
Yeah.
San Francisco, we lost Scarlett and Jillian to LAX. There we go. There's our gate. 11-hour flight. Finally reunited. The last I saw, I was in hotel. I was in San Francisco, and I got Alex and my parents and I looking all dead. Now we're in Spain. Look, I can get
us looking all dead.
I can get the flag. Oh, that bird just made it look like America, or the Spanish flag.
Oh, there it is. I didn't see it. Dang! Where is that? What is
Pretty in here.
Get all the water on this. Hurry up. All that. Well, you use your pajamas pants, right? Prairie girl. You do? You do? Okay.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Your roommate's work night?
Oh yeah, this guy. He just like looks staring at it.
Breakfast.
Also,
My parents.
we took all of our clothes and we washed them in the sink like Amish. Natalie looked so Amish last night. It was so ridiculous. Yeah, like the skirt. Just really Amish. It was really funny.
Do you like keeping it up?
Yeah, we had like the hanging in the bathroom. We had stuff hanging in the.
Another McDonald's.
There's like there were several of us where the person we had as like the top was the bottom. So it wasn't just like
Just for us.
Yeah, ugly.
Sometimes it's beautiful, sometimes it's disgusting.
Huh? Shanghai.
A base de poner.
Father glancing. So the little record says it's that's Natalie, that's Jillian, that's me, and that's Alex.
21st century. It was started in the 19th century, and at the beginning of the century, in 2010 or so, it's called Grandia.
Tooth rat.
Sorry.
You're good. Alex.
Spiritual retreat first and practice. In some books say that the culture, then they are black magpies. Wow. Magpies love shiny things. Imagine you sit there for a while to have a picnic and you take your rings out. Well, they come and take for it even if you don't realize. Imagine you open a Coke can and the little thing, instead of bringing it to the dustbin, the trash, you just leave it there. Well, they come. Because remember there was a royal palace around that monastery that doesn't exist anymore. There's only the ballroom behind the Royal Academy of the Spanish language.
Give me your name and the options you'd like to do.
Symbol of the Retiro Park. It was built in 1887 by Ricardo Velázquez Bosco. But he was Velázquez, but we should have gotten the electric one. That's what I think. This is only like $5 more.
Sorry. Oh! Ah! I'm gonna.
Wasn't this one where we started?
Yeah.
What don't you have? Oh my god. You're gonna Oh my god, how are you having? Yeah! So pretty. Oh my god. Okay, we're going that way. Wait, turn now. Look at the puppies. Turn the camera back. Yeah. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah.
I'm flashing everybody.
Stop. Break.
Oh my god.
Guys, this is so hard to rear end us.
Yeah, he can break. He can do break.
I was breaking that whole time.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god. This is so scary.
Do you guys know where the beginning group is?
The what?
The group that went?
That walked? I don't know. That little kid is beating us.
It's a singular kid though.
Yeah.
We have 4 people. 2 of them.
Okay, let's try not to drive super crazy. Turn.
Wait.
Ugh.
Are you guys filming?
Yes, I am.
Well, make sure it's little clips.
I know. I'm trying.
He's turning.
Yeah,
It is so hard to turn this fucking thing. How hard it is to pull the brake.
pedal and turn at the same time.
We didn't need a pedal at that moment. Get this off me. This is like what parents do with their kids. So we're turning to the right or to the left, this way.
Yeah, so a nice direction.
Sorry.
Is it faster? My back is hurting.
It is fast. Strawberry tree. This camera is so blurry. Like, look at it. It's like, especially at night. Yo.
How much did you unpack? A lot? You moved in? May I make a recommendation? I have no idea.
Oh.
So far,
What you want?
Por su propia seguridad, les recomendamos que permanezcan sentados y les deberán permanecer apagados y guardados en el compartimento superior o bajo el asiento. Por favor, comprueben que su...
It's just a video, but there's like no. It's just a video.
Hey.
But you can't.
At
can't
the
see anything, but
beginning,
we're looking at-
Scorpios, sorry, it was here. Sagittarius, it was behind the mountain.
We're in the same place.
Sorry?
We're moving, right?
The polar star is the only thing in the same place as the when we started to, okay?
Can't see anything.
Why is the reason?
I know. No one can see anything anymore. What? What could be so important? It's the vlog.
Remember I said no faces? We're gonna go to bed anyway.
What? No, we're just gonna cover them up.
No, y'all. That's gonna be a lot to get around.
We don't have to.
Okay, I'm acclimated.
Spinning. I can see now. We're on the coast. The coast.
Any more pine trees, and we find vegetation which is adapted to these conditions here in the high mountains, where we are above 2,000 meters high, and in winter it's cold. In winter we have snow here, the top parts. And now it's spring, and now you can see how the bus with the cars, and then we get everyone together here on the left of the bus. We have very clear views on the whole island. We are very lucky. With the top parts are white, yellow. This is this whole volcano.
Like 10 minutes.
Both of them do.
Oh, your bad.
Put him back on. Put him back on.
Thank you.
It's gonna be a super smooth video.
I'm watching the front.
You're watching me, my clothes.
Wait, look at Scarlett. You look so emo.
What?
Like you looked out the window and had your...
Let's go, guys.
Didn't get a card for that. You're not supposed to show your bottom here.
He's like, am I looking?
It's recording. John, look. Amish, we're gonna cross your face out anyway, but... Huh? Amish, we're gonna crush your face out anyway.
Do I have to cut my ass out too?
Yeah. It's too big and recognizable.
And now it's just ominous music. I use it only audio. Where's the video? What the fuck? He's not even moved. Why? He's moving.
One of our favorite hobbies called siesta. La Palma is the island, on the left hand side.
shaking her boobs. Oh my god, I've heard this song. It's really fun.